love to share with you this amazing pink tool set. Guys, this product includes 205 different home tools. Among you will find gloves. You also have a hammer, measuring tape, levers, scissors. You have a saw right here and a screwdriver, of course. This screwdriver, guys, it's cordless, and for that you can recharge it with this USB cable right here. Also, guys, you're gonna find a bunch of different drilling bits, and also you will find this universal socket tool that fits between 7 to 19 millimeters, bolts as well as nuts. And guys, let me just tell you that this whole set right here comes in a very cute flashing pink color, so that way they don't get mixed up with your husband's tools. The screwdriver, guys, I have to point out that it is very good in speed. It has a good torque as well. And the best part is that you can change the angle of the screwdriver itself, as you can see, so that way it can fit into narrower spaces. So my friends, everything over here, you can put it in this cute pink bag so you can carry your tools with you. I really hope that you will enjoy this amazing product. It can also be a great gift for any of your family members or friends. So I hope you will enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye.